Good morning, everybody. Buy stop to the 30-minute blue line for US 30. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second buy stop all the way up to 30-minute. Buy stop US 30 to the 30-minute blue line. That holds true for YM1 easy, NAS1 easy, NAS 100, and Q1, SPX 500, ES1. It's in the game. It goes for all of those. Just so we're on the same page, buy stop all indices. Play any buy stops you can find until the ricochet happens, because it did hit the 30-minute blue line yesterday. Now, that takes care of that. Let me get everything else set up. Good morning to everybody. Yesterday was a perfect play. Thank God, thank God. It's a beautiful day. I have one runner still open. Let me grab this here. This is what's today's date? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buy stop all indices, buy stop all indices to the 30-minute blue line of US 30. SafeTrade.com. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's change this to that. Let's change that to this. Let's go back over to here. Let's go back over to there. Buy stop all three indices, just like, where's my thing at? Just like yesterday's call. It's the exact same call as yesterday. You'll see a little down movement right now. Most likely before market open, it'll swing down, and then it's going to come back up just like yesterday and go to the 30-minute blue line of US 30 just like yesterday. And I swear, if I see any of my silly people that are the members in the Discord talking about, oh, US 30 this, and it wasn't, what are you talking about? It went directly to the blue line. You're clueless on how fast trades do or do not move. You're absolutely effing clueless. 30-minute trades take all day, sometime around days. These lines are where I call it. I'm pushing it to the side so that we can see the current, but within a half hour, the call is right there. Every time I make a call, you can see. Now, sometimes I have to delete these, but this call right here, buy to here, this call right here, buy to here. Today is another buy, just so we're clear. SPX 500, 30-minute buy to the 30-minute blue line of US 30. ES1, buy stop, 30-minute. Yes, I see it's falling. I don't care. You can keep playing those sells if you want, and I never play a sell unless it's a really super short show. Like Mike's super short show. Who remembers Mike's super short show? Probably none of you. All right, let's see if we got all this done now. Yeah, I think we're golden. Let's go back to here. Do we have anything? Captions. Hopefully, guys. Can you guys hear me this morning? Is anyone here this morning? I have no idea. All right, let me get up TikTok now. TikTok. Okay, screwball. Can't stand TikTok. But too many of you came from TikTok, so I have to keep going on there for now. But we'll see how that works in the future. Let me get this funded trader thing done, and I probably won't even do lives anymore. All right, no, I will. I will always help you guys. All right, now go live on TikTok. Let's see if we have it out over here. There we go. Push that out. Now we're cooking. I believe we're live on TikTok, which has much better sound. Sound is good, I was told. Yay, for once. Good morning, Mr. C. What's up, Mr. C? Good to see you around these days. I love when you're here. What's up, Alex and Orlando Walters? God bless you. And each and every one of you listening. Good morning, Bandit Trader. Good morning, Fletch and Aussie Trader and Jan, Fly to the Sky Flyowski. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Aussie Trader. So good try. And Mr. C's on both. Thank you for being on both. Buy stop. Now, is it going to go down to the 3-minute? We can check. Sell stop to the 3-minute blue line, all indices, all 6 of them, except I don't trade sells. You guys can do whatever you want to do. I just strictly do buys. And I don't mean Dubai as in Dubai. I mean Dubai's as in Dubai's.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
We have to unmute. What time is it? It might be a little early for too loud, so let's drop that down a little bit. Let's see if we have my computer unmuted. Yeah, baby. Let's see if we can just get one little. Oh, it's a buy stop. Right? 1 second buy stop, whatever this is. US 30, 1 second buy. I'm just putting this in so I can hear my alert go. This is not calls. Those are just tests for the alerts. No, it's still sell. So yeah, hold on. So a very short-term sell. There we go. All right, that is not anything. That is not anything. I just had to hear how loud we were. That's good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. All right. Buy stop NAS to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop NAS to the 10-second blue line. NAS will go up. This is a call. This is an official call, demo only. This is where NAS is going. 10-second blue line. Let me see NQ1. NQ1, you'll have 0 drawdown on this trade. Should already be in it. It's a little late. SPX. Buy stop to the blue line, 10-second blue line, SPX. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, ES1, it's in the game. Buy stop, ES1, it's in the game to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop at SPX, NAS, and US, hold on. Buy stop, Yeezy to the blue line. YM1, buy stop, US 30 to the 5-second blue line. To the 5-second blue line, you will see this fall shortly. You will see this flip. Look. Geez, I can't even get it in. It's already there. This is an official call. There you go. It's going to also go to the 10-second blue line. Tell you what we're going to do. Let's go over to here. Yep, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, there you go. Now, let's just see how that rolls out. See, when I do you guys, I can't do me. It's so funny. All right, I love this trade. 10-second buy, the blue line, all 6 indices. Buy stop to the 30-minute blue line is the official call of the morning for US 30 and all 6 indices. There is a 3-minute sell stop on all 3 indices. I would not play that. Let me be clear on this. Some of you, again, are very, 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 I don't know, whatever, whiny, I guess. Here we go. This is an official, to get clear, then I have to go get my thing here. This is an official, this is what I'm calling, all 6 indices. Okay? Buy stops is not a market order to 10-second blue lines. Then I would not take this 3-minute sell stop toward there. You can take it. I'm personally not taking it. Blue lines. I never take a sell on any indices. Then the trade of the day, like yesterday, buy stops until US 30's 30-minute blue line. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? Yes or no? Am I clear? Yes or no on these calls? I hope I'm clear on all calls. I hope I'm clear on all calls. Okay. So you can play 3-minute sells old school if you like. Feel free. I'm not saying it won't go down there. What I am saying is that I would never play a sell. I only do buys. Now, just be patient, wait. Patience is the love language of trading. That's what my beautiful wife Bree says all the time. Clear, clear, clear. Okay, thank you guys. Just want to make sure we're all on the same page. Now, that's your call outs for, oh, by the way, I'm sorry, I left one out. Weekly, daily buy stops, all indices. Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me add one more thing on here. Best trade long-term weekly, daily buy stops to record highs. Boop. Okay, now we got that covered. Sorry. The best trade is the weekly, daily buys. No one, unless you have patience of a saint, I don't think any of you are taking that trade. Is there any news this morning, by the way? Any news at all? Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Barry Doge. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Good morning, Larry Cooper and Jan and Grant and Old School Mick and Filio and Aussie Trader. Anybody on TikTok? Good morning, Kevin Alderman on TikTok. Yay, Rich OBX on TikTok. TikTok. Thank you for you guys being over there. Nice. Buy stop all indices, buy stops all indices, except for the 3-minute sell. You're going to see a little go up, then you're going to see a go down, and then you're going to see a bigger go up later in the day. All right, let's go on off the indices. Gold. Gold is nothing but a buy, but let's see what we got going on. Sell, 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 10-minute. Gold, sell to the 15-minute blue line. 3,271 is your take profit. I would never take a sell on gold. This was absolutely planned out. We know exactly what it's doing. The only trade I would look at is right here, a 4-hour, 5-hour buy stop, and I love this trade on gold. Buy on gold, 3,340, 3,408, 3,476. Buy stop gold, take profits. Take profits 3,500, 3,550, 3,600. Buy stop on gold 10-hour. Buy stop on gold 12-hour. See, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, just the daily starting to turn. The daily starting to turn down a little bit. See, I told you we need the weekly. I've drawn this out for you so many times, but let's do it again because some of you just are very not listening. This is what's going to happen. This line will come down. It will hook and start to come back up. These will hook down like this. The yellow line right here will curve like that. Price action will come down somewhere around there. It'll touch the orange line, goes slightly below it, and then it comes shooting up past that. I'm telling you what's going to happen to gold over the next several months. You might want to listen. I've been calling gold correctly for the last 3 years. Kim Harrington's the one that turned me on to gold. She's an amazing member of our society, and she's exceptionally good at trading gold. She's called the Gold Queen, actually. Here we go. Where are we at? Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing these days? Let's go all the way down. Bitcoin. All buys. Told you. What did Bitcoin ever hit? What I tell you is going to 95,000. Let's see. If it hasn't, it's going to 94,500. 94,890. Yeah. Anyway, Bitcoin, take profit. It's all buys. Bitcoin's a permanent buy until further notice. Bitcoin is a permanent buy until further notice. Just like the indices are permanent buys until further notice. You're in a weekly, daily buy. I told you when Bitcoin was getting plummeted to not panic, to keep dollar cost averaging buying it. Well, now look. Take profit. 1 is hit. Take profit. 2 is hit. $97,000. Take profit. $100,000. Take profit. 105, 110, 115, and 120. I don't want to hear any of those lousy ass pilot crap. I'm not going to say it. I don't want to hear any other person out there trying to say, oh, I called Bitcoin to. No, you didn't. I did. It's as simple as that. The system never fails. 100% accurate. This will cross. This will go up. This will fill in the gap. Price action will go up past that orange line. Period. I don't say things funning around. I don't say things maybe could be. I'm telling you exactly.
I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, I hear noise. I hear cha-chings. What do I hear cha-chings on? US 30's doing something. What is US 30 doing, I wonder? Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-ching. Oh, this is fun. Let's go to US 30 and see what all the racket's about. Gee, I don't know. Could it be? Yeah, that it's going up. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Do you see all those trades I have open? Yeah, baby. Close them all down, take your profit and run. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a permanent buy. It will be going up past 110, 115, and in my opinion, 120,000. I'll tell you exactly where it's going once I see the cross here and once this touches the yellow there. XRP, as I told you, I can already tell you that this thing's going up because I told you it was going to go up. Let's see where we're at. Little XRP, yep, everything's up. Let me see where it's going to. 12-hour, weekly, daily. Daily, weekly buy stop, XRP. I'm not calling any sells, even though those are short term. Take profit that it will hit $2.45. Then you can look for the $3, and then $3.50, then $4. XRP is a permanent buy, as I told you. It went right into the channel, as I told you. Look at that shit. Beautiful trade. Just gorgeous. XRP, buy stop permanently until otherwise noted. XLM, buy tons of time on XLM. I don't want to hear your whining people at all. This is a gorgeous daily, weekly buy stop XLM. Take profit 31 cents. Take profit that I love 36 cents, 48 cents, 64 cents, 80 cents. Those are all take profits for XLM. Nike, let's take a look. Nike is still a daily a weekly, 3 weekly sell, a monthly sell. But boy, do I love that 3 month. Love this Nike trade. 3 month, 6 month buy stop. I just love this trade. Followed on the way down. $63, take profit 1. $70, take profit 2. $80. Love $90 take profit. $100 take profit. $115. Adore $177 take profit on Nike. Nike will go back up over $180. Love, love, love Nike. It is a very long. If you guys don't even know how to trade a 30-minute trade on the indices and you think like it didn't go anywhere, should I pull that up on Discord? Should I pull that up on Discord and show people what was being written in here? I was embarrassed. There was a couple of my senior members that straightened the people out, but I was like, what in the hell is this person talking about? US 30 isn't doing anything. Gee, I don't know. It just went up like 1,000 pips yesterday. I mean, it was a clown show I was watching. I was like, what in the world are you talking about? I didn't say anything because they're new and they're slow, but whatever. Yeah, here you go. Here's somebody. John Parker, I think it is, or Matt. When you guys say play until the US 30 hits the midline, you should already be in your trades. Anything you have left should be a runner at this point. Be careful. Pips have been made by most of us. I mean, it's exactly what 100. Thank you, 100% accurate for saying this. Thank you, this. Because some of these people were saying the 30-minute blue line, oh, it's not going there. It's slow. I'm like, what are you talking about? Clueless. Some of these people are just, you got to learn, but don't say things that are just silly. Please, don't say things that are just downright silly. I can find it, but I don't really want to embarrass them. But don't say things in my Discord that are just silly. US 30 did exactly what it was supposed to do yesterday. It went exactly to its blue line. Anyhow, let's go on to Target. All right. Good morning, Solace Soul. You do pretty money. You're welcome, Solace. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Justin Suda. Good morning, Lachey and Barry Doge. Justin Suda, is that you, Dad, Bob, and Hot Rod? All right, let's go to Target. I don't give a shit what it's doing on anything other than this right here. Target is a monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. I absolutely adore it. Target. Take profit 1, $105. Take profit 2, $120. Take profit 3, $130. $140. I absolutely love take profit, whatever it is, $169. Target will go past that. It will go past 200. It will go past 250. Take profit 260 and 280. That is Target. Good morning, Luis Ortiz. This is J&J. I absolutely love J&J. Love J&J. It is a monthly, 3 monthly buy stop. I love Johnson & Johnson. You can't, I mean, it's right up there with all of them. Where's it at? Oh, is it already back to 150? Damn. Take profit 1, 162. It'll definitely go there. 170 for take profit 2, 3, whatever. Take profit 180. 190 and 200. That is for J&J. CVS, you've already made so much money on CVS. It isn't funny, but let's keep calling it for you. Daily buy stop to the blue line, CVS. I love this trade. Take profit 1, $67, $70, and $72. After that, I especially adore 3-month, 6-month buy. Now, these trades are going to take fucking years. Well, you'll be able to trade them for years on buys, but it isn't going to be done today. So I don't even know how some of you even think on trading. Take profit 1 on CVS already been hit, so I'm just going to give you some other take profits. $69, $75, $83 take profit, $90, $95, $100, $105. It's going to go past $115. It's going to go way past $120, and that is CVS. L.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
L has some more downward movement to go, but I don't care. Take profit 1, 8, move down with it. In other words, rule number 7. Take profit 1, $77, $80, $85, $90, $95, $100, $110, $120, $170. Love $240, and that is Estee Lauder. AMD. This is I'm calling it a monthly. This is a monthly buy stop AMD. Monthly buy stop AMD. Take profit 1, just follow it down, $100. Take profit 2, $110, $120. Absolutely love $140 take profit for AMD. Verizon. Where is it? US 30, I believe US 30 is getting, let's check it. Let me come back to that. Yeah, this isn't a trade. It's still a 10-second buy stop, just chill on everything. All right, where were we? Verizon. Verizon still is a 3 weekly sell stop. I don't care. It's a monthly sell stop. I don't care. This is what I love about Verizon. It's a 6-month, 12-month buy stop, and I absolutely love this buy stop. Take profit 1's already been hit. Next, take profit $49, $54, $60. That is Verizon. SMCI. Is a 3-week, beautiful 3-week monthly buy. Love the trade. $51, and is absolutely going back to $70. Ethereum. Love Ethereum. Permanent buy until otherwise noted. Ethereum is a 3-week monthly buy stop. Take profit 120. Well, just put it as 2,000. Take profit 2, 2,200. Take profit 3, 2,400. Take profit 4, which it will go to 2,800. That is a
demo trade only. I am not a financial.
Okay, I think that's enough. I think I'm done. Now, good morning, Louise Ortiz. Good morning, Solace Soul. Good morning, Justin, Larry Cooper, and Lachey, and Barry Deutsch. Good morning, Gary Ramundo and Jan. Good morning, Matt Sagowitz. Good morning, Matt. Does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any symbols you'd like me to call out? Go ahead and ask. Any symbols you want me to call out, please ask now. We're in 10-second buys, looking for 10-second buys in all indices, but then 3-minute sells on all indices. But more importantly than anything, it is a 3-minute sells to the blue line, all indices, but I'm not playing it. I'll just get in more later. 15-minute buy. I'm not calling the 15-minute buys. 30-minute buy stops, all indices, all 6 indices to the blue line. 12-hour daily sells, and then daily, weekly buys. The ultimate trade I love is the weekly buys, period, on all indices. Now, weekly buys take fucking weeks to develop. It isn't going to happen overnight, peeps.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
GM. Okay, let's look at GM. General Motors. They used to be the best, boy. General Motors. Let's see what my sniper rifle says. Yeah, we don't care about that shit. It's a sell with a 15-second blue line, but I don't care. Let's go up here to the 30-minute and see what's happening in the 1 hour. Oh, gorgeous. General Motors, buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. Take profit at $47.66. Let's see. Yep. To the 2 hour blue line, $48.17. And then General Motors is a 9 hour, nope, 10 hour, 12 hour sell stop to the daily blue line, $42. Take profit on the sell on General Motors. Screw that shit. I love the weekly, 3 weekly on General Motors. Yeah. Too bad you didn't have my system. You could have got into General Motors on a monthly. Yeah. You could have got in here at 39. You could have got in here at 31. And you could have easily got in here at 24. But anyway, I'm going to call this one a weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. This is the best trade there is on General Motors. I'm only going to give you the take profit of $52. That's where General Motors is going.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
WM, Waste Management. I think I called this a very long time ago. Let's see what my sniper rifle says. Looks like a little 5 minute. Let's see what's going on there. 10-minute buy, 5-minute buy to the blue line on whatever that thing I just called. 30-minute sell. Take profit $1, $225. Damn, that thing's trading that high. That's crazy. 3 hour buy, 4 hour buy, 5 hour buy, 5 hour buy, 7 hour buy, 9 hour, 7 hour buy. Let me see up here. 7 hour buy. It's a little overpriced right now. There's better ones. It is a 7 hour buy. I'd let it pull back further. 7 hour buy, take profit $233. Next. LXRX, says Aussie Trader. LXRX. LXRX. Lexicon Pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals. Okay, I see nothing. There we go. It's going up to the 4 hour. Let's see the 2 hour. Buy stop to the 2 hour blue line, whatever that, I'm not repeating that symbol. 0.9133. Take profit, whatever that was. Take profit to $1.24. Let me go up. I don't trust this one. This looks odd to me. Yeah, this looks really odd. This is long-term sells. I'd be very careful on those buys. I don't like this one. There's way better symbols than that. I'm not going anything else. DOT. USDT. Now let's go over my other little list. We used to have DOT. Polka dot. I'll fucking just type it in. DOT. USDT. I always do Coinbase if I can. Let's see. Dot. Yeah, I don't like this one either, but I know it's going to be a buy down here. Yeah, it is. 4 hour maybe. Yep, 3 hour. Okay, this is a trade I like at all. Buy stop to the 2 hour blue line. Take profit $4.58. $4.91. $5. And that's all I'm calling for DOT. BT. Bit Digital. So amazing. I've never heard of any of these things, and they're all over the NASDAQ and stuff. Looks like a nice little buy push to the third 30-minute. Yep. Buy stop BT. $2.18 take profit. $2.50 take profit. $2.84 take profit. Now, let me see how this looks up here. This is looking a little challenging to me. Yeah, I don't like this long-term at all. I don't know enough about it. I can't see it good. I'm not going to call this one anymore. I don't like it. There's way better ones to trade. Good morning here, Piggy. Prayers to you and blessings to you. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Kimberly Harrington, also known as the Gold Queen. I was just talking about you this morning. Thank you for turning me on to the gold. I told him that your nickname is the Gold Queen and how you never miss with gold and how you're doing fantastic with gold. Yay. Okay. Now, any more symbols? I didn't check over in TikTok. Sorry. Let me see if TikTok. Is there a way to like make this better? I don't know what this is doing. No. How do I make? I don't like how they're throwing all these stupid little. Settings, comment. I don't know how to change it though. No, nothing I can do. Oh, yeah, let me turn this light off for you guys. All right. Any more symbols you guys want me to call out? Any more symbols you guys want me to call out? Any more symbols you want me to call out? Oh, da 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 da. Any more want to call out? No, 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 no. And any more symbols? All right, you guys got any more symbols you want me to call out? All right. Credo, C-R-D-O. C-R-D-O. See? Credo. Well, it's better than the other ones, but I don't have enough long-term information to make a judgment on this. Credo. Weekly, 3 weekly buy. Buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. Take profit $43.66. $49. And then there's this pesky little 9-hour, 10-hour sell stop. Take profit $30.68. If you have patience, it's a weekly, 3 weekly buy. Take profit $54, take profit $67. And that is for CRDO.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yes, I am on TikTok. If you type it in, I don't know the one I'm using, but if you just type it in and look for the only live one we have, I'm on TikTok. Yes, Larry. Good morning, Larry, by the way, and God bless you all who's here. Good morning and God bless everybody. Let's take a look at our, get rid of all those, Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual closeness with you. Thank you for Another day of good things and bad things. We embrace them all. Please forgive us for all of our past sins, future sins, and present sins. Please take us to heaven in spite of ourselves. Please let us help other people while we're here on earth. And Father, I come to you in Jesus' name, thanking you that all is well for everyone hearing my voice and for my family, especially for my beautiful wife, Bree, and that everything is working out for our highest good. I thank you for that. And thank you for out of each experience, only good will come to us, and that we are all safe and protected and loved. And I ask special blessing upon Keith and my beautiful wife, Bree. And thank you for all your blessings you've given us today. Not everything's perfect, but that's life. And we thank you for everything. I ask a special blessing upon each and every one of the people who hear my voice right now, that they actually listen to what I'm trying to teach them so they can be consistently profitable with their trading. In Jesus' name we pray and thank you for these things. Amen. Okay, now we've called out a shit ton of trades. Is there anyone else, by the way? Nope. Anyone over there? Nope. Okay. Now, let's go back over to here. Let's go to the 3 minute. 3 minute sell on US 30 to the blue line, or at least towards it. 3 minute sell for YM. 3 minute sell for NAS. 3 minute sell for NQ. 3 minute sell. I would never take these, but you can. SPX. 3 minute sell for ES1. Is there any news this morning? The trade I'm looking to take for all of you, to be clear, is US 30 ricocheting, coming back to its blue line. It already hit its blue line multiple times, actually. US 30 hits blue line, it came back up, hit its blue line, then came back up. Yesterday hit its blue line. And today it's going to be another 30-minute buy stop to the blue line on US 30, which means US 30, YM, EZ, NAS, NQ, SPX, ES1. It's indicator, all going to do the exact same thing as they always do. So they're all 3-minute sell stops towards their respective blue lines, but there also are 30-minute buy stops. Just have to be patient. And then if you don't like either of those, you can go into the 12-hour daily sells. Feel free. It is a 12-hour daily sell to the blue line. I'm not taking it on all indices, not touching with the 10-foot pole. To be clear, you can see US 30 go down to 36,000, and I hope it does. YM down to 30, it's the same thing, 36,000. NAS down to 15,500. NQ down to 15,500. SPX 500 down to 4,500. ES1, it's in the game, down to 4,500. But if you're really patient, you should dollar cost average, just like I told you to do with Bitcoin. Just do your demo buys as it goes down, and then do weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. This is where all the money is at. If you have patience of a saint, ES1 will eventually go up. Take profit 5,300, 5,600, can't even read it, 5,800, and then 6,000 record highs for ES1. Same exact numbers for SPX. And Q1, a best thing ever is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. These don't happen often. You should take advantage of this. Take profit 1, already hit. Next take profit will be 20,655, 21,500, 22,500. Same for NAS. YM1, easy. Also a weekly, they all are. Just love this trade. 40,900, 41,900, 42,610, and then 44,000. It's going to go over 45,000. That's the same for US 30. Okay. Amen, amen, amen. Only retail sales. Yeah, I don't care. Thank you, Matt. But they already happened. Should be clear of news today. Thank you, Matt. Nothing rings in Michigan. Inflation, consumer. Oh my goodness, who cares about Michigan? The only state. Ohio's a decent state. I live there, but Michigan is horrid. Their governor. I don't know if she's still there, but the governor through the COVID was a joke. Oh my God, it was a horror show. Some people just let power go to their heads, boy. All right, so that is USA. Now let's go see. Let's go find some money. The only problem is I do not want to call you guys to have a. Oh, good. Can we get that 5-second pull? Hold on. We're gonna have to wait. Yeah, I refuse to call. I'm not calling sells. I'm gonna wait for this to flip around and I'll call the buys for you if I can catch it. We see it hit up. If I get this alert, this isn't a take profit alert. This is just a check alert for me. So if I hear these go off, I'm going to go swing up here and see if I can snag something. These are not take profits. Do not look at these as take profits. This is just me checking. So when I'm talking about other things and I hear this go off, I can come over and check this. Yeah, let's do that. Ooh, boy, that is looking. Can I call a buy stop on? That is tempting. I'm not gonna, but boy, that's a 5-second buy stop to the blue line on US3, but I'm not gonna call it. I'll be patient. I'm gonna wait on this one. All right. Yes, she was, says Matt. She is still governor. That sucks. She sucks. I'm from Michigan. That's funny. And I'm in Michigan. I need to go. Larry, you're in Michigan? Oh, I feel bad for you. Sorry, brother. Yeah, she's a. So was DeWine or whatever that idiot from Ohio governor was. What? How are these people governors? I don't understand it. How do you guys vote for them to be voted into office? Wow. Anywho, I'm staying out of politics. All right. Any other questions? Any other concerns? Anybody want me to go over anything? I think at this point, this is what I'm thinking. I'm from Michigan too. Damn, a lot of you Michigan Anders. I'm from Ohio originally, Lorain, Ohio, outside of Cleveland. Talking about, it's called A Mistake on the Lake. Talking about a shithole place growing up. We used to have a steel mill there. I think they still do. And when it was going good, our town would be like 50, 75,000 people. When it was bad, it'd be like 20, 30,000 people. It was a steel mill town. And about that mentality too, boy. Cold, lake effect, snow. Lord, of course, you Michigan Ander people, you have worse snow than we do. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Let's go, Larry. You guys are funny. Yeah, there's nothing much to be proud of. I'm going to call that 5-second buy stop to the blue line on US 30. Why not? Let's just see. All right. Clinique we got. I am so excited today. Oh, Lord willing. I am so excited. So extremely happy today. Yay. I'm almost tempted to eat breakfast now, but I haven't done my walk yet. All right. That's the way. Did you look at gold? I think I'm waiting for the 2 hour. Let's look. Yes, I did look at gold, Kim. But let's look at the gold again for you. Gold is a 5-second buy stop to the blue line. Looks like we're going down to the 10-minute maybe. Let's see. Already there, 15 minutes. Sell stop gold to the 15-minute blue line, 3,271. I would never play sell. 2-hour buy, 3-hour buy, 4-hour buy. It's actually a 4-hour buy. Uh-oh, hold on. 4-hour buy stop, take profit, gold, 34,000. Remember, Kim, we're waiting for the weekly to pull back down. It's going to take probably about 3 to 6 weeks for this peak line to come down, which means this should stay about the same where it is, come over, touch the orange line like a thing. So be careful with that. It's going to be a lot of sideways movement for a while. Consolidation is what you used to call that. It's just gathering up to come back down to form the weekly is all that's going to do. So there'll be a lot of up and down movement, hourly, 5-minute, 10 hours over the next several weeks. I'm expecting it to be choppy waters. Now let's go over to the US 30 and go back to that 5 second, see what happened. Yep. US 30 went up and hit its 5-second blue line. That was an official call, I might add. It's going to do it again. Let me see NAS. Yeah. NAS buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Why not? I'm just, you guys can do the 3-minute sells. There's a 3-minute sell to the blue line on all indices. I'm not saying there isn't. You guys can do that all day long. I'm not touching it. I don't trade. All indices are a permanent buy. Gold is a permanent buy. XRP is a permanent buy. Bitcoin is a permanent buy. XLM is a permanent buy. Nike's a permanent buy. Target's a permanent buy. J&J is a permanent buy. CVS is a permanent buy. Until further notice, those are all permanent buys. Blue line 5. Thank you, Barry Deutsch. Matt, if you're in the Discord, DM me. I'm Coopin there, says Larry Cooper. Do you think to the blue line? Yep, Matt, it was. Do you think maybe wait until after open to get into the buy stop to 30-minute blue line? No, Aussie trader, you can do anything you want to do. Absolutely not. That's not how you trade. You follow your high probability setups. Ta-da! I was using this on our new website we're building. Safe trade system by Kevin Berger. Structured disciplined trading system designed to minimize risk and increase probability of success by focusing on high probability trade setups. And if they mean 100% accurate, unless God wants to fail, then yes. Proper risk management and clearly defined entry and exit signals, especially popular among traders who value consistent returns, which I think we all value consistent returns, ChatGPT. No. You can do your sells, you can do buys, whatever you want to do. I don't give 2 fucks. And the reason why I'm staying with US 30 more than any of them because of that. 1 second sell. I mean, you can play any of these. Knock yourselves out. It's a 1 second sell, 5 second sell, 10 second sell, 15 second sell to the 30 second sell, 1 minute sell to the 3-minute blue line. US 30. Feel free. Yeah. NAS, same way. SPX, same way. Play the sells. I don't care. Knock yourselves out. Sell, 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 sell. Sell some more. I am really tempted to eat this morning. I wonder what time breakfast is closed down there. All right, peace.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial.
Good morning, Henry Chessing. I haven't seen you in a few days. Welcome back, Henry. Oh, let me finish up the gold thought for Kim. Sorry, I was kind of got a little sidetracked there. So yes, Kim, it is a 2-hour, but it also is a 4-hour, 5-hour buy stop. I was telling you to be careful about the sideways market movement. It'll go up. It'll go where it's supposed to go to. But just, I mean, look look at the gold run, Kim. You know better than anyone here how we were playing gold at like 1,000, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400. We're playing gold at 1,800. We're playing gold at 2,000. We're playing gold at 2,500. We're playing gold. I mean, it's so far away now. Let me be clear. Look at this, Kim. Let's zoom in a little bit on this one. It's so far away from its orange line, yellow, and red line. This is just scaring me. Now, again, if people had my system, you'd have been buying gold at 1,200 like it was, going out of style. But this is just too far away. I can't take it. I'm in a gold trade, big gold trade, up $600, $700, $800 an ounce, but this is just ridiculous. Gold needs to come down to 2,600, preferably 2,000, preferably 1,600. Do I think it's going to go that low? No, I do not. But before we start trading it heavy again, I would say at least at 2,500. I mean, gold is just too far away. That's all I can tell you. Look at this historically. Let's put it in another perspective for you guys. Look, watch. Historically, this is gold to my EMAs, right? My lines. Ridden it, gone up, a little too far, not as far as it is now, and it got hammered, came back down, back sideways, back up. It's just too far away. Can I be very careful for any kind of long-term gold trade at this moment, which is ironic because I'm in a long-term gold trade, but just be very, 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 very careful. See, your 6 month is peaked, your 3 month is peaked, your monthly is peaked, your 3 week is near peaked, your weekly, this is the most important for gold, the weekly is peaked. Sevens, if I'm making myself clear to help Kim out, that those are just iffy trades right now. I would be, you can ride them. You can do like a 1 hour, 30-minute, 5-minute buy. Sure, absolutely. I don't necessarily think I would be holding them like I am from January, like for 3 months on those trades. That's all. I think gold can go to $5,000 an ounce. Gold can go to $6,000 an ounce. Gold can go to $10,000 an ounce. But I'm not taking those trades until this gets better. NQ going to the 1 hour today off that 30 minutes, says Justin. That's not how we do it, but sure, possibly. I don't know. Gold to the 15-minute blue line. Sure. Let's take a look at gold to the 15. Yeah, that's a sell. I don't play sells on gold. Gold is a permanent buy, but yes, that is a correct read. The only way I would look at this is like Kim's looking at it, a 4-hour buy stop to 34.17. That's how I would read this trade. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. What's up, Michelle Glowinski? Just saw you. Good morning, Michelle. All right, I'll let you guys decide. Should I eat early or wait until after I do my cardio and my lifting when I'm done with you guys? Should I eat now? It's just eggs, some chicken, some cucumbers. Let's see, it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, I might do a little bit of training right now. Of course, you guys will have to listen to me chew if you tell me to eat. Michelle said, wait, Michelle knows about fasted exercise. Thank God, Michelle, you're right. Michelle's so smart. Her brother's so smart too, Mike. They're good people. Very hard to find good people in this world. My beautiful wife, well, best person I've ever found. Sweetest, kindest heart and soul in the world. Good person she is. Love my wife. Love her, love her, love her, love her, love her. Juice, then eat. I hate cardio on a full belly personally. I agree with you, Solace. I can't juice. I'm at a wait, said Kirk. Everybody said wait. God dang it. Fine, I'll wait. I always wait. And I would juice. I love to juice. I haven't juiced in a long time, but I love juicing. But yeah, I'm in a hotel room right now. We're in a hotel room. Oh, oh, precious, precious, precious. Michelle said, that's funny. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and X. I know Twitch is saying X. I don't care. All right. Yeah, Bitcoin. I told you where Bitcoin is going. I told you. Oh, come on. Just hit 95,000. Wasn't my call out for Bitcoin 95,000? Hold on. Let's see. Really? What? I didn't call out Bitcoin this day? Oh, okay. Oh, let me look at the previous day then. Surely it's in here. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is crossing. Well, gee whiz. Let's see what we're looking at. Yep, Bitcoin is profit. Take profit hit for Bitcoin. Take profit hit for Bitcoin. You're welcome. 94,490. That's 95,000. That's funny. We were looking at Bitcoin and it pulled it up. Yeah. This is Bitcoin. So take profit one hit, take profit two hit, held close enough to take profit three hit. There you go. We're within a couple $100. It's horseshoes and hanging as far as I'm concerned. Yay! Well, there you go. There's your Bitcoin. By the way, for some of you new here, every single call I ever make, I think since November of last year, so well over 6 months now, every single call is tracked. Thanks to Kim, the Candle Envy Lady, by the way. Thank you, Kim. Every single call I've ever made is tracked. Every time I open my mouth and say something, Kim tracks it. See, right there. Every day, every month, for the last several, I think we're over 6 months now. Look, every day, every call I ever called. So there isn't, oh, did he say, maybe he didn't know. Everything I say is documented. Every call ever made for months and months and months and months and months and months and months. Oh, well, what about it? There it is. Kim the Candle Lady. There you go. Go visit her little thing. See, everything's tracked. Every call. I'd love for someone one day to go by every call I've ever called and go back and track every call I've ever called and see how accurate they are. I would say my accuracy would be 95% or better. Personally, I'd say my accuracy would be 99% or better. And some of these symbols, I don't even know what the fuck they are. See, then I was doing it myself. I was handwriting them. Look at this shit. These were all correct. I guarantee you these were all correct. Every call I ever made, they're all right here. So anybody that's a doubter, suck it. Look at my writing. This is why she types it out now. Look at my writing. I'm a bit messy. Anywho, where were we? Buy stop right here. I don't know what I'm doing. 5-second buy stop on whatever this is, Bitcoin. You're going to see pink cross blue. You're going to see this turn back to green. You see price action go above this orange line right here. This will turn to green. This blue will arch up and flip. The price action will turn and it will come back up to that orange line. This is a 5-second buy stop. You know what's funny? The only people we've really had problem with, and I shouldn't say this out loud, should I? I'm not going to say anything. I should say it. They put it all over. It will come off of this. Are any of these starting to flip? No. Let's see. All right, we'll wait. You guys didn't tell me it started to flip. Oh, shit. 5-second buy stop to the blue line, NAS and NQ1. Blue will come down, purple will come down, price will come down, cross, green. Red will turn to green. Buy stop, take profit one will be right here. Nice. You guys got to tell me when the freaking things flip. I swear. NQ's the exact same play because they're the exact same symbol, but you're so Bitcoin again, Bitcoin. Told you, Bitcoin. Told you. There's your Bitcoin. There's your bit 95,000. Told you. There it is. There's coming up back up to its blue. It's called. There it is. Bitcoin 95,000. What am I telling you? I told you 95,000 for Bitcoin was, well, this is called out 20 years ago too. Was called out. Yay! Bitcoin has officially hit its take profit. I do believe it was here. I do believe it was here. I do believe it was over here and here again. Back to here. That wasn't Bitcoin? Yeah, there you go. There's Bitcoin. 94, 95,000. Ding, 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 ding. Take profit. 1 hit. Take profit. 2 hit. Take profit. 3 hit. Ding, 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 ding. All right, now where were we? Let's see. We were looking at NAS. Let's see. Yeah. There you go. Actually, NAS did it too. NAS went up to its orange line. I didn't probably put it there, but it's take profit, whatever NAS was, hit exactly where it was supposed to hit. Pink crossed the blue like I told you. Green, red, green, buy stop. Whenever that pink crosses the blue on the sniper, you have your buy stop set, it's going to that orange line. Now, we only happen to be on the 5-second. I can't control that. But yeah, it's correct. Everything is correct. Perfect read. Absolutely gorgeous read. All right. What time is it? Let's do a little training. All right, we're going to do some training. Good morning, Jacob. Blue tie to Grillix. Anyone new here, just by the system? Thank you, Larry. We have a crossing, NQ1, which is the same as NAS, but for those of you, there it is, told you. So listen to me. Listen to this well. This is a rule. When you have to the blue line trades, listen. This is why the snipers don't NAS crossing. Okay, here goes NAS. This is I told you. This is I drew out. There it is. NAS crossing 19,000. Now listen. I'll go to NQ. So this is for you funded traders. By the system, listen to this. Look, oh shit, look at it go up. Look at it go up. Look, was it fucking 8:30 or something? Look at it go up. Look at it go. As I told you, there it is. There's your NQ1 to the 5-second blue line. I'm going to teach you how you know this is the fact of where it's going. Okay, we're going to go over some many charts. Here's the many charts. What time period are we on? Nope, we're going to go down to 5 seconds. Okay, these are our many charts. By many charts, what do I mean? I mean these are 5 indices that we trade as one. Okay, now look. Every one of them, 5-second buy stops to the blue line. Every one of them. I happen to call it NAS and NQ1, but they're all the same. They were all buy stops to the blue line, all at the same time. I do this every month. This is the exact same thing. I told you the same day as yesterday. Look. All right, now, this is what you have. The high probability setup says when you have ES1, look at it go. SPX 500, NQ1 NAS, look at it go. NAS, this is why you don't play sells. NAS 100, and then US 30. The pink crossing the blue, green, red, green, buy stop to the line. They're all I want Keith to code this. He's going to get mad at me. I made so much money, coach. I'm done. Nice, man. That's what I want to hear. Congratulations. You can't tease us like that. What was I teasing you about? I forgot what I was talking about. There you go. Look at it. There you go. Congratulations, Matt. Yay. Yay. All right. Now, listen. By the way, buy stop at the 10-second blue lines, all indices, but whatever. I don't know if they're there or not. This is your high probability trade setup. Matter of fact, I am sending this to Keith. Poor Keith. He has to do so much shit, and he has to listen to me make these things too. Oh shit. Sorry. Let me get rid of that. Good morning, Keith. Good morning, Keith. I'm so sorry to bug you with this, but I just got every morning the same thing. When they're all buy stop, pink crosses the blue, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them out of 5, and they're all going to, in this case, the 5-second blue line, and they all have the buy stops. Can we code that? I know you're working on the other one, but this is just so good. We'll code them already. I know you're so busy. I apologize, but appreciate it. Thank you. God bless. Love you. Hope you're having a good time and you're fast. I'll talk to you. Morning, Keith. Poor Keith. I swear that guy gets nothing but shit from me. Still, thank you, Kevin. Just made $64 on the 10-second buy stop on NAS. My friend who also trades laughed at me when I told him I trade the 10-second. I know, right? People can't believe it. I made too much money, coach. I'm done for the day. Isn't this fucking awesome? And it's going to flip and do it again. It's going to be another buy. So here you go. How on earth are we calling these trades out like this over every day? Same trades. I'm going to teach you again. The same exact trade I taught you yesterday. The same exact trade I taught you the day before. The same exact trade I taught you the day before that. We'll use, I don't like this one. Let's go here. This is US 30. This is NAS. This is NQ. This is SPI. I want this to be the ES1. There you go. Oh, look what they're doing. You sure there's no news this morning? Look what they're doing. Buy, stop, all indices, by the way. 5-second buy, stop. You can take that if you want. They're little shit moves they're doing. All right, let's go back to what's happening, or happened to the 5-second. All right. So you're looking at 5 different symbols. We can do 6, but this isn't bad enough for y'all. 5 different symbols. Let me move this back over here. There. All were 5-second buy stops to the blue line. Okay. At the same time, green, 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 red, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, green, red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, buy stop. By the way, you're in the money on that last buy I just called for you. All right. So the high probability setup that you guys are seeing, one of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, and then 5. And again, keep telling yourself, I can trade these, you can trade these. All right. I'm going to remove that last one. All right. So here we go. We have pink crossing the blue, pink crossing the blue, pink crossing the blue, and pink crossing the blue. And it crossed here too, but that's just a little early. You guys won't understand that. Green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, green. When they're all, I told you this 1,000 times. When they're all going to the blue line, if 4 out of the 5 look like this, they're all going to the blue line. I don't care if it's 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay. They do it all the time this morning sometimes. It was 177. Good morning, John Parker. What's up, John? Okay. Now, when I don't care if it's 1 hour. I think, well, the last 2 days we've been playing the 30-minute ones, the 15-minute, 30-minute ones. As long as they're all going to their blue lines, this is the blue line right here. Let's be clear. This is called the bullseye blue line, but I don't refer to it as that. But that's the blue line. Price actions below it, going to it. 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 Okay. All right. I wonder if I can put block. Yeah, I should be able to put a block word into restream, no? Huh. Anyway, so these are your setups. And the symbols are ES1, SPX 500, and Q1, NAS, and then US 30. Let me go ahead and open this up too while we're at it. No, which one do I want to do it on? No, I don't want to do it. Let's use this one as an example. Okay. Now, let me label these for you, and then we're going to go into some teaching stuff. This right here is ES1, it's in the game. This right here is SPX 500. This right here is NQ1, maybe, NQ1. This right here is NAS 100, maybe, NAS 100. This right here is US 30. All right. Now, this is here. 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 Okay. Now, inside of each white rectangle, you're going to see the exact same trade setup, high probability trade setup. I want you to understand you can trade with the sniper and without the sniper. The sniper, every single time, listen to me, you never know with the green, 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 red, green, green. It could be a little off. You could have this or that. Look, if this was red, 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 green, 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 red, green, green, but the blue line didn't dip with it. I'm just telling you, you can trade perfectly fine without the sniper. I'm just telling you that when you have this sniper and you combine all the symbols right here as one, you should be able to make this trade at least once, maybe 5 or 10 times a day, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 50 seconds, 30 seconds, at least once or twice a day, every day. And all you have to do is master this trade, and then you can go hunting for other symbols with the same pink cross, the blue, green, 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 red. But once you master this trade first, I'm trying to get all the people who are having trouble to master this trade first. Here, I'm going to turn off the AC. Okay? So this is the one. If you guys are having troubles, listen to that. Listen to me. If you guys are having troubles with your trades to be consistent, only trade this trade I'm teaching you right now, please. Okay? Just this trade. Okay, give me just 1 second. I'll be right there. Almost all done. Nice. Okay. So let me write this down for y'all. Here we go. I'm going to write this out. If I write something down, y'all should write something down just to have fun. Please learn this trade I'm about to teach you. If you aren't consistent with the system, yeah. When 4 out of the 5 symbols we trade, which is US 30, which is NAS 100, which is NQ1, which is SPX 500, which is ES1. All are going to their same blue lines. For example, i.e. 5-second blue lines in this case. Okay. And they all have buy stops. If you don't know what a buy stop is, you will. And they all have buy stops. And they all have, I prefer sniper. The sniper blue line being crossed by pink. And I'll show you what that is. Where were we? All blue lines crossed by pink. And trying to think. Blue line crossed, pink, thing. Yeah. And would be nice if the orange line goes below the other 2 lines. Okay. Now, does everybody follow what I'm writing down there? Because I'm about to teach it to you so you can see it live. Basically, when they're all below, coming up towards their 5-second blue line, they all have buy stops, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. And they all have the sniper blue line being crossed by the pink. And it would be nice if the orange line goes below the other 2 lines. Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Justin. I think this is part of the system to understand. Whoever's struggling, please rewatch. Thank you, Persistent. Good morning, Dad Bod and Hot Rod. Okay. 7s, if you all understand what I'm writing out here. If not, I'm going to teach you it, but just understand that if you're having trouble being consistent, this is the easiest way to be consistent. Okay. And then after this, you can get it. Please type out 7s if you understand this. Anyone on TikTok understand it? Anyone on Aussie Trader? Larry Cooper said yes. Okay, cool. Excuse me. Thank you, Mr. C. Thank you. Good morning, Annie Apple. Thank you, Annie Apple. Thank you, Henry. Thank you, Trade Gun. Henry's writing on both. Nice. Okay. Now, I left this up for a long time. You should all take pictures of it, print it out, write it out yourselves, type it in your phone. Every one of you should make the more effort. Let me be clear on that one. The more effort, how about an E in there? Effort you put into something, anything, the more you get out of it. That's a fact of life. That is a truism. That is an absolute fact. If you spend 1 minute learning the system, good luck. If you spend 100 hours learning the system, better. If you spend 1,000 hours learning the system, yeah, obviously you're going to become consistent with your results. 10,000 hours to master something, you'll be better at me trading the system. But don't write things down. Just listen to me. At least you're here listening. Write it down. Write it down 10 times. Take a picture, print it out 100 times. It's just sheets of paper and ink. Write it out 1,000 times on a chalkboard. Write it on a dry erase board and rewrite it again and again and again and again. I don't know. You do how you do, and I'll just trying to help you all. All right. So let's do that. Now, this is what we have. How much time do I have here? I got time, right? Yeah, 8:37. Beautiful. Woo-hoo! I am so happy today. I am so happy today. All right, peeps, here we go. So how do you trade it? Well, our setup, this is what you look for. When you see all 5 indices below their respective blue lines, in this case 5 seconds, and then you see the next step, there's a buy stop. You can trade just with the buy stops. But if you have the sniper, then you see the pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, right? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line, pink cross blue, once, twice, 3, 4 times. Okay, so let's go over that. Once it did it, twice it did it, 3 times it did it, 4 times it did it. And we have US 30 not doing it, but it's a different kind of buy. You don't understand all 5 of these right here, and you don't understand that stuff. So I'm not teaching you that. So 4 out of the 5 did it. They're all going to the blue line. We just did this trade live.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Okay. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5. Matter of fact, let me put this down here. Can I? Yeah, 1, 2. We're going to have problems with that. 2, 3. 3 different symbols. Well, they say they're different. They're not different. We just use it against them now. 4. And this is the 5th. We don't have one. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bop, 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 bop. This is how we look for the trade setup, the high probability trade setup that they're talking about right here with ChatGPT. We're looking for the high probability trade setups. And by high probability, in this case, it means 100%. If God wants it not to go, then yeah. So this is how we spot it. Pink crosses the blue, pink crosses the blue, pink crosses the blue. We have time. Even on 5 seconds, you have time. And then what do we look for? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Over and over and over again, you saw it do it. Blue lines up above us. So does everybody get how to spot the trade? Does everybody get? I calculated roughly now. Can you imagine that I spend now close to $9,000 with the system? I am shocked. 9,000 hours. Jan, you better be making some damn money now, woman. It's time for you to start making money. Let's smash the likes, peeps. Thank you, Mr. C. All right. Let me take off this too. We're going to need this off. Hold on. Okay. I don't even know if I want that. Hold on. It's kind of in the way right there. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's a little better. All right, I'm trying to get this set up the way I want to keep it. Now, let me go back over the comments. Now, it's 5 seconds to SPY just printed. Well, that's what we're teaching. Good for that. All right. Nice. Okay. So we all have the setup. Did I get sevens last time? Annie Apple said yes. So this is the set. This is how you go looking for what trade you should take. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Hi, hello to Mario. Hunting we will go. Elmer Fudd. Remember Elmer Fudd? Hunting Bugs Bunny. But we're hunting rabbits. The rabbit is the setup. We're looking for this setup. I'm beating this into the ground because some of you have to understand you can't take the trade if one of these is over. Well, actually, you could, but if they're over the blue lines, we want them under the blue lines heading to them. Then we want to see the buy stop. Then we want to see the pink cross the purple over and over and over again. This is the setup. This is your high probability setup. Capiche? Yes? You guys are understanding how to spot this? Yes, you're understanding how to spot this. Yes? I need some yeses. Yes, you're understanding how to spot this. Boop, 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 boop. I'll take a 7 from Aussie Trader. BCM, yes. Trade gun, yes. Mr. C7s, okay, good. This is how you spot it. Now, after you spot it, you can trade every one of these the exact same way to their blue lines. Thank you, Alex. Okay. 007 says Matt. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now. Well, do I have to zoom in? I'll stay right here. Watch. I'm just going to spread this out and make this a little. All right. Now, I'm going to teach you on this particular one right here, which is ES1. It's in the game. How to trade all of them. We're going to use this one as an example. Okay. First thing you're going to notice is to the blue line, to the blue line, to the blue line, to the blue line. This is the blue line we're talking about. Green, 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 red. Oops, I got to make it smaller. Green, green, to the blue line. There it is. Okay, so this is green, 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 red. Now, is there anybody new here, yes or no? Anybody new here, yes or no? Anybody new here? Henry, you're not new. HJC3, oh, that might be an old question, my bad. I'm like, Henry, what the hell, bro? Henry's like, that's an old answer. Okay. What's up, Dark Lights? So no one's new here. Okay, fine. No one's new. We're going to do our usual little thing here. And you guys say, oh, I didn't want to see it again. Well, tough shit. That's the way life goes. And you need to see it again, trust me. So, all right, now. This is what you got. We'll use, who's the last person to answer? Dark Light. Henry's laughing. Dark Light is swimming in a pool. Dark Light is red. He's trying to go down. He has red swim trunks on. He's trying to go to the bottom of the pool to pick up a coin down there, a golden coin. Hell yeah, if it was a golden coin, we all be diving down, right? So this is Dark Lights trying to swim to the bottom of a pool. trying to go down to the bottom of the pool. That's the red histogram bars right there. They're trying to go down. Over 93% of all traders fall for this, and they think it's going to keep going down. It is not. Okay, so dark light is trying to dive down. For whatever reasons, dark light pissed off 6 people. He pissed off Henry. Henry's, this bar right here, this green bar is up. Green means up. So Henry was pissed off. Henry's underneath him pushing up. BCM is underneath Henry pushing up against dark light. And then Aussie Trader is pushing up against dark light. So poor dark light just trying to go down to the bottom of a pool and get a little coin. Just trying to go down. He hits these 3 right here. He can't go down. Above dark light, you see some green right here. Green. See these 2 little green lines? I love these, the BOK indicators. Right there. Green, green, green. And then, of course, you can see the candles are green. So there's 3 people pulling up on dark light. There's 3 people pushing up on dark light. The trade is trying to go down with the red, but I have 3 indicators pushing up, 3 more pulling up. Does everybody get bikini bottom? Does everybody get the analogy? Yes or no? Does everybody get the analogy? And here comes my cute little cartoon. I'm sorry, I just love this cartoon. Let's make this a little bigger if I can. There we go. Let's move this up here. And there. All right. So now we're going to start our little swimming in the pool, dark light, swimming in the pool. Red trunks on. He's trying to go down. Doop, doop. See him? The red trunks, this is the red. Red trunks, this is the red. Okay? And then all of a sudden he's hit by the 3. He's hit by BCM. He's hit by Henry. He's hit by Aussie Trader. 3 pushing up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 lines. Above, watch this. You're going to see 3 more little hooks come in. That's got to hurt dark light. Sorry about that, buddy. And then 3 more green shorts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can see the 3 green lines, 2 green lines, and the 3 green right here. So now you have the setup. Can dark light go down while 3 people are pulling them up and pushing them up? No. The trade can't go down, didn't go down, and went up. So let's watch this full screen one time. Swimming in a pool. Trying to dive down and go get that gold coin. There goes dark light swimming. Pop! Rejected. 3 grown men pushing up. 3 more grown people hooked him. That's got to hurt like fuck. And they pulled him up. The trade has to go up. Dark light has to go up. There was no chance of him going down. There was no chance of the trade going down. Now, that is how you spot it without the sniper. If you have the sniper, you need to utilize it. It is so amazing. Watch. The sniper is this thing. The sniper will keep you out of bad trades. You can see this wasn't the correct trade, even though it was green, green, green. Red was the thing would have made money. But the correct trade is when the blue line is low and the pink crosses it. Blue line low, pink crosses it. Blue line low, pink crosses it. Blue line low, pink crosses it. Green, 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 red. Green, green to the blue line. Green, 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 red to the blue line. Everybody understand the analogy? And does everybody understand the power of the sniper keeping you out of an okay trade with the green, 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 red? But a correct trade was this one. Same here, here, and here. The sniper rules, nothing better than the sniper. I don't care what you're using or what you're trading or how you're trying to do things. There's nothing better than the sniper. When you see the pink cross the blue, you have your buy stop. It's going to the blue line, and it does it on 4 out of the 5 symbols. You might as well just back up a Brinks truck because you're going to fucking make money. Good morning, George. Hi. Morning, George. Okay. It's utterly amazing. That's all I can tell you. Sniper without the sniper, with the sniper. Now, are we all clear? You spot the trade if all indices 4 out of the 5, well, actually 5 out of the 5 were below their blue lines. If 4 out of the 5 had the buy stop, if 4 out of the 5 had the pink crossing the blue, this is how you spot your trade. Green, 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 red is your buy stop. Now I'm about to teach you how to trade the trade. This is how you're actually going to make the trade. You can trade, you can trade any one of these. You can trade all 5 of them. It doesn't matter. You can trade any one or all 5. Wall Street Leader. Good morning, Wall Street Leader. Kevin, please explain the main function of the blue line. Which blue line? The sniper blue line down here, or the bullseye blue line up here? Price action blue line. Which one do you want? This is your bullseye. This is where it's going. The blue line here tells you. The blue line, I don't know how to explain this to you. The blue line is technically the pink line on a higher time frame, but we don't want to go there. I'm teaching you the very basics. The blue line in this case is your master signal of what's happening. When it drops low on this and you see it, you know you're in the right trade. Bulls. What? The bullseye. Oh, is that what he means, the bullseye? Yeah, I just said, what's a bullseye? What is a bullseye? A bullseye tells you where you're shooting to, where you're aiming for it to go. The bullseye. It's going to go to the blue line. It's going to go to the blue line. That's why it's going to go to the blue line later today again on US 30 minute. This is where it's going to. Price action is going to the blue line. How much more significant can I make that for you? Yeah, a bullseye, where it's aiming to go. Do you guys not know what a bullseye is? I mean, see, not the character. Right here, you're aiming for this to go to there. You want a bullseye, like target symbol. See that right there, where this is aiming. See, you don't aim. See how you're aiming for the center? Bullseye, the Marvel character. That's so fun. I don't know. If you don't know what a bullseye is, I'm a little confused. The price action is going to go here. See how it came up and hit it, came up and hit it, came up and hit it, came up and hit it. Price action came up and hit it. So yeah, that's what a bullseye is for. Yeah, it's the magic magnetic blue line. That is correct. Henry remembers. Do you have time? Could you explain the blue line sniper is the higher if the pink line? Yeah, later, not right now. It's just going to confuse people. We don't need to do that right now. Sorry, persistent. But yes, at the very end, I sure will. If I have time, I'll swing that in there on the 2. Because you're supposed to be using 2 time frames. I don't want to get into any of that. We're just going to do this. All right. So this blue line, cross with the pink, cross with the pink, cross with the pink, cross with the pink. And then this is actually technically a blue line cross with the pink too, but this is it's a difference. I'm not going to explain it to you. Yeah, so right here, simple green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. It's going to the blue line. Okay? And yes, it is magic, and yes, it is magnetic, and yes, it does pull price action to it. There's no such thing as magic. I'm just metaphoring, okay? All right, so now we have this. Okay, does everybody see how to get the fuck here? I'm getting less and less confident that you guys actually understand this. All right. All 5 US 30 NAS and USDX ES need to be underneath the blue line. In this case, the 5-second. Well, 4 out of the 5 need to have a buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green. Okay? 4 out of the 5 have to cross the blue line, cross the pink. Well, technically pink cross blue line. 2, 2, 2. Yeah, we have all the rules. And this trade is so you can be consistently profitable with my system. Okay? green, buy stop. Now, this is the setup. You can trade any one of the symbols, any one of them. I'm going to use ES1. You can do it on SDX and Q, NAS, and US. So you can do any one of the symbols. Feel free. Okay. So everybody with me on this. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Oh, fuck it. I'll show you on every one of them. Here we go. The orange line, when it goes under the EMA right here, the orange line, when it goes underneath it, this is your entry. When it goes underneath it, this is your entry. When it goes underneath it, this is your entry. When it goes underneath it, this is your entry. When it goes underneath it, this is your entry. And these entries are called, you don't do market orders, you do buy stops entry. Okay? Look over here. You do buy stop entry. You do over here buy stop, if I can type it, buy stop entry. We do over here buy stop, because the orange line is underneath. Oh, jeez, come on. Okay, over here you can see the orange line is underneath. Okay. Okay. These are your buy stop entries. Where do you put it in at? See, price action came down, way down here. You put it at the orange line. This is your buy stop. You don't know what a buy stop is, just a pending order. See, price action came down, you put it at the orange line. Price action came down, you put it at the orange line. Price action came down, you put it at the orange line. Price action came down, you put it at the orange line. You'll notice every time the pink crosses the blue, you have the ultimate bottom. You have the bottom. You're catching a falling knife. You're catching the falling knife. You're catching the falling knife. This is the ultimate bottom about 9 out of 10 times. When these cross at the bottom, this is the bottom of your trade. It doesn't go lower than that. That's a little tidbit for you guys. So sevens, if you understand where to put your buy stop entries at, and I'm showing you on 5 different symbols all at the same time. Yes. Do you change? Of course you do. That's rule number 7. See, some of you tell on yourselves. I mean, it's okay. But if you actually read your rules, you go over to here, you go over to your specific rules right there. It actually tells you to follow it down. It literally tells you to follow it down. Always move your buy stop, sell stop up or down with price movement. But whatever. So yeah, always move it up or down with price movement. That's the rules. Please look at the rules once in a while, guys. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. All right, so this is our buy stop. These are the entrances. Bop, 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 bop. Okay? You can play one. You can play all of them. You can do whatever you want to do in this world. They're demo trades only. I don't care what you do. Just do what you want to do. Now, boop, boop. Okay? This is your entry. Now, I'm going to go back in time on this one because we can. And I'm going to go right. I'd like to go right to here. I don't know if it can. It's always a little off. All right, there we go. Perfect. All right. So I'm back in time. I can see my orange line is below the yellow and the red. Red, red, green, 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 red. Blue and pink are low. The pink and purple are low. We're perfect. I have to do an entry now because this thing bounces around and it's going to do something weird. So I'm going to enter my trade. Oh, shit. Cover up in this. How am I going to get off of that? There we go. Come over here. All right. There. All right. Now, this is the entry right off of here. Entry. Now we have to set up. We have to set up take profits. It's going to be a challenge. There we go. Okay. And we have to put stop losses. There we go. Okay, that'll work. Okay. It's going to be iffy, but we're going to try. Okay, this is what we can do. Right there, we got it. Okay. Now, we have our buy stops. Oh, we have our entrances. We can do the exact same thing here. We can buy here, 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 and here. Feel free. I'm using this ES1 as an example today. All right, so we're in it. Let me move this back up. We're aiming for certain things. I'll show you what that means. Right? And this is where we are. So we're in a trade because it crosses here, and it will in just a second. When it does that, we have to put a stop loss in. And yes, we have a place for a stop loss. Your stop loss goes after the pivot point of entry, but I'm going to put it down here because this is the 5 seconds. So I'm going to make this my pivot point. It's going to come up like that, and this is going to be my entry, my stop losses down here. So let me show you. Stop loss. And it will be the exact same on your other trades. Your stop loss would be at the very bottom of the pivot point upon entry or below, in this case here, 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 and in this case, well, that's below here. All right, there. Okay, so those are your stop losses. And on these fast ones, I always look back a little and find the lowest one right before it. And I take this as my stop loss. Are we clear on where to put your stop losses? Yes or no? Clear to where to put your stop losses in your entrances? Yes or no? How much time we got left? We have time. Annie Apple, thank you, Annie. You're so sweet. Thank you, Alex. All right, I can go on. Now, we need take profits. And this is one of the, I think you guys have a hard time with take profit. It's kind of weird to me. Take profit here will be the yellow line. 1. Take profit, which I always love, is the orange line. 2. And of course, above your highest, 3. And then, of course, right below the blue line, 4. And these are called take profits and a runner. I just love the runner. I'm in a runner right now. A couple of them actually, gold and all right. Now, take profit 1, yellow line. Take profit 2, orange line. Take profit 3, above the previous high. Take profit 4, the blue line. Take profit 5, you let a runner run. Are we clear on the take profits and the runner? The runner means you move it to break even or slightly above, and you just let the trade run. You let price action run. I refer to it as compound interest. That's what I refer to it as. Are we all clear on take profits and runners, yes or no? Hey, morning, Miami Rock. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Sorry if I missed you guys. Good morning. So now we have our entry, we have our stop loss, and we have our take profits. Yay us. I showed you how to spot the trade. I spent like 20 minutes on that. All right, I got some yeses. We're golden. Now, when the trade plays out, we're at the orange. I'm going to enter again. Only one. Scare that shit. Oh. All right. We're going to go ahead and play it again. Move this over. It's hard for you guys to see. I apologize. But I'm trying to get all this shit into one little thing, and it's very, very, very tricky. All right, we're trying to look right over here is where we're watching. And let's see. Yeah, we can't see it. There we go. Okay. No take profits hit yet. There we go. Now, if you can see this or not on this particular one, we went past the yellow. So take profit 1 and, well, I don't know if we're past the orange yet. No, we're not. Take profit 1 is hit. We can go over here and let's look. Let's see how these are looking. At that time, yeah, take profit 1 is hit. It looks like on all indices at that time. So we're going to watch this right here again. We're going to go forward again. Yep, definitely take profit 2 hit the orange hit. Could have got in again right there. I would have entered again with that pullback right there. I think I told you guys to do that at that time. And there you go. You let it run. It would have went to the pink, to the blue line right here, and then you just let it run. And that's all you do. And that is your, let me close this out. That is how you run the trades. It's absolutely very, very easy. I can zoom in next time if you guys want me to see, but you can do the exact same trade on all symbols all at once. Very neat when you see it like that. And that, my friendly friends, NAS 10-second blue line wick through. Okay, well, we can go over to NAS and take a look. All right, I'm going to conclude the training there. Does anybody have any questions over the training? I'm going to go back to live trading for you guys. That's all. Whenever they line up the same, and whenever they're all together, and they're all going to their blue line, I'll have the buy stop with the pink crossing the blue, it's just printing money. That's all it's doing. Printing money. Once you master that trade, you can start looking for the buy stops on other symbols, like single ones like gold or something. Start getting that down pat. You don't need to trade all these at once. These are just extra confirmations for you guys. That's all. Morning, Ray. What's up, Ray? Annie Apple, Miami Rocks, Builder Las Vegas. What's up, guys? All right. Now, let's go back to current and see what we shall see. Buy stop, 5 seconds to the blue line, NAS. Buy stop, NAS to the blue line. NQ1, buy stop to the 5 second blue line. Buy stop, NQ1 to the 5 second blue line. SPX, buy stop SPX to the blue line. 5 second blue line, 5 second blue line, buy stop SPX. ES1, it's in the game. Buy stop ES1, it's already there. Fudge, I got robbed. I'm robbed. That is bullshit. Buy stop to the blue line, and I called it, but it's too late. It already did it. Motherfucker. YS. Let me see US 30. US 30. Damn, already went to the 5-second blue line. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. This is for real now, guys. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Buy stop to the blue line, US 30. Buy stop US 30. YM, Yeezy. There you go. Do you hear the noise? Fun for girls and boys. It's a slinky, a slinky. Look at it go, baby. Told you. Told you. Naz in the money. Told you. There it is. 5 seconds. I see. Yep. Touchdown. Naz to the blue line. Told you before it happened. Told you, told you, told you. And Q, watch. And Q to the blue line. Told you, told you, told you. SPX. Let's see SPX. SPX did its 5-second. Watch. It's going to flip. Watch. You'll see this turn to green right here. Yep, yep. There you go. There's the same thing will be happening for ES1 made money, SPX made money, NQ1 made money, and S1 made money, and it's not done. I told you, and it's not done. Easy made money, US 30 made money. There you go. All in the money. If you think this is a little money on US 30, you're 100% fucking wrong. Buy stop to the blue line. Ding, 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 ding. You hear it? If I can do it, if I can do it, you can do it. There you go. Safety.com. Learn more here. Look at that. Listen to the money talk. Look, I told you where it's going. US 30 crossing. Look, take profit one hit, take profit two, and every time you hear the ding, 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 you're getting profits. There you go. Let's see easy. Easy still going up. Let's see Naz. Let's see Naz. Yep, Naz in the money. There it is. Told you. Listen to the money. ES1 in the money. Let's see ES1. There it is. ES1 in the money. Told you. This is the real deal. I knew when it was the real deal. There it is. Pop, 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 pop. Let's see if they're going to the 10-second next. This is fucking awesome. You're welcome, everybody. ES1, buy stop to the 10-second blue line. SPX, buy stop to the 10-second blue line. NQ1, buy stop to the 10-second blue line. You're going to hear a whole bunch more dings here in just a second. NAS, buy stop to the blue line. 10-second blue line. You're welcome. You're welcome. All symbols, all 6. Oh, look at that. Already hit the 10-second blue line for easy. Already hit the 10-second blue line. Look at us go. 15 seconds. Buy stop. Yeah, look at SPX in the profit again. Listen to the money talk. Listen to the money talk. That's why you guys come in here. You love making the money, the demo money, listen to it. SPX 500. Gee, I wonder where it's going. In the money. We're in the money. Da, 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 da. Take profits being hit left. Take profits being hit right. There you go. They're all going up to their 10-second blue line. We called the 5-second already. They already did it. They're doing currently to the blue line 10-second. You're welcome. There you go. ES1. It's in the game. Look, it's in the game. Take profit again. It's in the game. There she blows. There it is. Look at it. Ding dong, baby. If I can trade it, go over to safetytrade.com. You can trade it too. You can trade it too. Listen to them talk. Listen to that money. Woo! I'm going to throw some extra of my own. Touchdown. We have a touchdown. ES1 has hit its blue line as called out live by me. Period. SPX, touchdown. We have touchdown. SPX has hit its blue line as called out by me. Thank God, and God gets all the credit. NQ1 will be going up and touching its blue line next. There is no mistaking what's happening. This is done live every morning. Just get used to it. Got a little boring there when I was teaching. I get it. Look at it. Here you go. Here you go. Let's see what YEZ's do. Oh, look at that. I wonder where that's going to. 15-second blue line hit by YM1. Easy. Look at US 30. We have time for US 30. US 30 will hit its blue line. 15-second blue line. Here it goes, peeps. Everybody in the money. Everybody in the money. Morning, Andrew. Hope you're having fun making money. Seems like Aladdin has hiccups today. No, they just do their stuff. There's no big deal. Easy money. There you go. There's YM easy. Touchdown to the blue line. Touchdown to the blue line. And Pat, they told you. You'll see the 15-second one flip. I'm in the money. You're in the money. There you go. To the green. Told you. There you go. Told you. Here's your money. No drawdowns for those of you. Look, there it is. Touchdown to the blue line. 15 seconds. US 30. Touchdown to the 15-second blue line. If I can do this, you can do this. SafetyTrade.com. 575. Knock yourself out. Look at it. Look at it. To the blue line. NQ1's crossing. Let's see. NQ1. Let's see. Listen to the money talk. Yep, we're past the 10-second right there. There it is. To the 10-second blue line. Watch. It's the 5. Ding, 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 ding. There. Touchdown. NAS to the blue line. NQ1 to the 10-second blue line. All going to the 15-second blue line. We correctly called out the 5-second on ES1, SPX1, and Q1 and NAS, YM, and US 30. Now we're playing them again. NAS, this is crazy. NAS to the 10-second blue line. NAS to the 15-second blue line. You're welcome, everybody. Thank God and God alone. You're welcome. 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 This is so much fun. This is the real. I told you this is the real deal. There's certain times you just got to know that that's the real deal. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is when you make your money. You shouldn't even be trading open in how many ever minutes there is, like 13 minutes. You should be done trading. I've made so much money for you. You shouldn't even be worried about this. I don't even know what else to make for you at this point. Look at this shit. Easy peasy money. Easy peasy. Bingo, boppo, bango. Look at this shit. It's going to do it again. Listen to the money. We need a big pullback here and open, hopefully on US 30. Oh, jeez. US 30's already hit its 15-second. Damn. US 30 hit its 15-second. US 30 hit its 15-second. US 30 and YM easy. There you go. It's going to go up to here. Take profit right there. You can see what I'm pulling. I can't call these all out. Look. This is just perfection. We get a nice pullback here before market open. Ah, shit. Easy going up. YM going up. US 30 to the blue line. Woo, baby. Yeah, baby. This is awesome. Hope you guys love the noises. All right. Is it going to stop now? Let's have a breather. Do we have a breather? Let's see what US 30 is. No, US 30 is going, baby. US 30 is popping there. I'm telling you right now, baby. There she blows. Let's see ES1. It's in the game. There you go. To the 15-second blue line. We called the 5-second correctly, the 10-second correctly. You're already in the money on the 15-second correctly. So you make 3 different money to 3 different blue lines on 6 different symbols. That's 18 correct call outs, all one after the other. If I don't start seeing some thank yous and some thank gods and some yeses and some 7s, I'm out of here. I'm not even going to trade open. I'm not kidding. I'm leaving. Come over to the safety trade system, buy it, and then learn how to trade just like you're seeing me do. Wow. Look at this shit go. What fun, ladies and gentlemen. What fun. Listen to the money talk. Money talk. Listen to the money talk. Money talk. Listen to the money talk. Money talk. Listen to the money talk. I hear some money talking. What is it now? Oh, get the fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Talking a bunch of shit. Organic butter spread said crash. Thanks. Thank you. 18 Friday, baby. Is today Friday? Free money Friday? Today's Friday. Free money Friday. They're giving it away in bundles. What's up, Miguel Herrera? Happy Friday to you, Miguel. Welcome to the channel. I don't know who you are. All right. Wow. This is so fun. Look at this. Oh, yeah, it already touched. It's going up again. Buy stop to the blue line, 15-second. ES1, it's in the game. You're going to see it hook, come down a little bit, and then it's going to hook, come right back up. It's going to go to that blue line. Again, it already did it. Told you it was going past this. Told you it was going past the high right there. That was easy. The shit that they did earlier. SPX to the blue line, 15-second. NQ1 to the blue line, 15-second. All of them, buy stop to the 15 seconds. NAS to the 15-second blue line. You see where I'm putting in my take profits? You can do the same thing. US 30 to the 30. US 30 is leading. Somebody said the US 30 follows. No. US 30 is leader about 50% of the time. YM1 to the blue line. US 30 to the 30-second blue line. YM1 to the 30-second blue line. If you don't like these, I don't know how you could not like these trades, but if you do not like these 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second trades, you can play the 3-minute, 5-minute sells. If you don't like that, I would prefer you to play the 30-minute buys. That's the best trade there is, 30-minute buy to the US 30-minute blue line. If you don't like that, you can do a 12-hour daily sell. I would never do a sell. I would wait patiently and do my weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. All indices I'm talking, the exact same words I'm speaking. I told you where everything's going, and it will. Thank you, God. 777, thank you. Kirk seems happy. Nice, Aussie trader. Nice, Vince. What's up, Vince24? I don't know you either. Welcome to the channel. Thank you, Michelle Glowinski and Annie Apple. You guys are very kind. All right, where are we at? This is fun. Is this not fun? Buy stop, 5 seconds here. This is what you're going to see. Pink cross the blue, green, 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 red. You're going to see price action go up above. Who is this? US 30. You're going to see it just did it. It just did it. I couldn't even tell you, and it just did it. That's your price action. Take profit, it already hit, and it already did it once. Take profit will be off the orange and off the top of this. There you go. US 30 crossing. This will turn to green. You'll see the price. Oh, it did it. So let's go to another one. It's already done what it's supposed to do. Let's go to YM. YM did it. Let's go to NAS. Listen to the money talk. There you go. Here we go. This price action right here. You will see this go here. This is the NAS buy stop. You're going to see NAS go up above the orange line and then up above here. Boom, that's NAS. Let's go over to NQ. Listen to the money talk. You're going to see the same exact thing right here on NQ. You'll see it go up. You're going to see this turn. This will hook back up. This will turn from red to green. Yep, there it goes. It's going to go right past it. I don't know why it didn't trigger it. It is. That is the correct call. Yet again, I'm going right down the line over and over and over again, calling these trades for you live. Tell me this isn't the coolest fucking thing you've ever seen. I couldn't make a trade right for the first 2.5 years of my life. Now I'm calling 5-second, 10-second, and 15-second trades over and over and over again on different symbols, 6 different symbols over and over. There you go. NQ1. NQ1 is up. NQ1 is up. NQ1 is hit exactly where take profit is supposed to be. NQ1 is up and over. NQ1 is up and over. Look at it go up. Before you if I can do this, you can do this. Head over to safetytrade.com, buy the system. Look at it go. Look at it go. There it is. NQ1, you made money on NQ1 with no drawdown. You're making money on NAS right now with no drawdown. Buy stop. Buy stop. You have an opportunity right here. This is your buy stop for your YM Yeezy. This is it right here. Buy stop YM1 Yeezy. There it goes. You're going to make money on that trade right there. US 30. US 30 is going to be the same, I'm sure. Same right here. Take profit one will be right there. Wow, we might get a pullback for US 30. Enjoy the pullback if we can get it. YM1. YM1. Oh, you're in the money on YM1. I couldn't even get you. You're in take profit one at YM1. Zero, I guarantee you that motherfucker with zero drawdown. You're in money. You're saying that's not a lot of money, right? Oh, that's nothing, Kevin. These are 5-second trades. Really? Well, I just told you when to get in at the orange line. in your orange line, it went up to here. That's 15 pips. That is 50% more money than any professional trader makes in a day. They make several trades a day to try to get the 10 pips. I got you 15 pips in a matter of seconds. US 30 in profit. YM1 in profit. NAS in profit. Look at the last one that hit. I don't even know. Look at the NAS go up. I told you. NQ1 in profit. SPX in profit. ES1 in profit. How many times do I keep sending profit? Do you guys hear all this? Do you guys hear all this? Listen to it. Listen to the money talk. Listen to it. Do you hear it? Let's turn this here. Oh, there's my neighbor in here. Shit with that. Listen to it. Listen to it. Damn straight. NQ1 in the money. SPX in the money. ES1 in the money. NQ1 in the money. NAS in the money. All of them in the money. That rule of following has been written for 3 years. Correct. 6 minutes tomorrow. I don't even know when market opens. I don't even care. 4 minutes. Closing maybe daily props is Kurt Brown. Wow. Look at it. You're going to do another buy stop in YM. Here's another buy stop. Follow it down. Buy stop. YM1 Yeezy. Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. You should have already made so much money. You don't play market open. Never play market open. Always lock in profits. Demo trade only. Market open isn't for the faint of heart. Don't fuck around with it. It can go straight down for a while. You don't want to get caught in the wrong way of movement. Okay? Buy stop. 5 seconds. US 30. Buy stop. 5 seconds. US 30. Already in money. Already in profit. Already took profit. Look at you go. You would have got in on the orange line. Went to the orange line. That's how you trade. Look at it over and over and over again. Here to there. You'd have made 9 pips, say in and out about a pip or two. Look, YM1 is crossing. Let's go to YM1. Look, same exact thing. Buy stop YM1, 5 seconds. Let's go to NAS. Every symbol. Oh, I can't even get you in NAS. NAS needs to pull down. You're either in it or you're not. Market open in less than 2 minutes. Market open in 2 minutes. Don't trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, wait for a pullback. Oh, that's nice. We'll take that one. ES1. ES1, take profit. Take profit here. Take profit. Take profit. ES1, take profit. I'm telling you. There you go. Let it drop down further. I want US 30, NAS, and SPX all to drop down. I can't get you in the trade unless, oh boy, I don't think it's going to come up further. Maybe. Listen to the money talk. Just listen to, there you go. There you go. We're getting a nice pullback on ES1. We're getting a nice pullback in ES1. We need it to go further down. We need it to go further down. Nice. Let's go, babies. Let's go, babies. SPX in the money. There you go. ES1, 5 second buy stop. Wow. This is just a wow. Most of the money is made pre-market open. You can make money pre-market open, after market open. You can make money anytime you want. Just make money. Thank you for your time. Always a pleasure to watch you. Thank you. You're welcome, Henry Chastain. This is just fun. Been watching the videos that you draw on the side. I know, right? I can only hope for a pullback for you guys at market open. Otherwise, buy stop on all indices. Let me see US 30. Hold on. Let's go to the big one here. Let's see if I get in one of these suckers. Come on. I ain't got time. Come on. Jeez. All right, here we go. There we go. Now we're on buy stop. Who is this? US 30. US 30 is doing a nice hook down. Buy stop all indices. Buy stop all indices. You can just wait. You don't have to take these trades. I'm putting it right here. Putting it right here. Putting it right there. There we go. Buy stop. Oh, take profit here. ES1 crossing. Now I might not even wait to open. Market open in less than a minute. Market open in less than a minute. There you go. There you go. Market open in the money on all trades. In the money on all trades. In the money on all trades. Close down your trades. You don't have to stay open. In the money on all trades. In the money on all trades. Let's go. Look at you go. Look at the money you're making. Look at all the money you're making. Look at all the money you're making. Close down all trades. Close them down. You don't have to stay open. Close down trades. Close down trades. Close down trades. You do not have to stay in these trades. Close down. Look at it go up. Look at it rocket up. Buy the system. Look at it rocket up. Buy the system. Look at it rocket up. Buy the system. Take your money out. Take take your money out, close down your trade, take your money out, close down your trade. This is a blast. Buy, stop, all indices again. Enter the trades again. Enter the trades again. Buy, stop again. Enter the trades again. Buy, stops again. Enter the trades again. Buy, stops again. There you go. Take that money and run, honey. Take that money and run. Listen to the money. Listen to the money. Look at it go. Take your money out. No need to stay in. 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 Listen, look at the money. Look at the buy stop US 30 going to the 30. I told you, told you, told you, told you. Buy the system. Buy the system. Make money consistently for once in your life. 30-minute buy stop to the blue line. You just made money twice. I got you in. I got you out. I got you in. I got you out. Go to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. Look at it. Look at it. Buy the system. Buy the system. Buy this. This is fucking incredible. What you guys are witnessing is history. How much fun was that? How much fun was that? We ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. It's going to the 30-minute blue line later today. I'm telling you right now, US 30, take any buy stop you can find. If you don't want to take these things, you can wait for the 12-hour daily sell. I would never do a sell. I would wait for the weekly buy or do this 30-minute buy. I'm telling you, this is where money's at. Should be looking at a whole bunch of thank yous, a whole bunch of thank gods, a whole bunch of everything like that. What you're witnessing is history, baby. You guys want to be on the right side of the history? Buy the system. There you go. Woo. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. Woo. You're welcome, Techman. You've drawn this on. Look, anybody else out there happy? Anybody else out there happy? Take your money and run. Always close down your trades. That was fun. I got to go. All right, everybody on TikTok, God bless you. Hope y'all have a great day. See y'all later. Maybe later today. I don't know. We'll see. That was fun. YouTubers, Facebook, X, Twitter, and Twitch. I got to run. Wow, was that fun. Wow, that was fun. That was fun. Blast. Wow. Fun. You're welcome, Lachey. You're welcome, MC. Good to see you back, MC. You're welcome, Louise. Just fun. Just fun. All right. I got to go. Buy the system. Learn how to trade. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. All right. God bless you all. I'll be on over the weekend, Techman. I'll be on a lot probably over this weekend, actually. All right. Y'all have a great day. God bless. Talk to y'all later.